Hello, discrete math fans. So we're talking about computing quotients and remainders. A lot of computer programming languages will have built-in operators to compute these. In Python, these operators are double slash and the percent sign. You got to be careful if you use just a single slash for division, they'll just compute an ordinary division, leaving possibly a decimal. Now for clarity, we'll call these div and mod. That's a division and mod, and it's just integer division. Pretty much any programming you use will return the correct thing when n is non-negative, but you have to be careful about what it returns when n is negative. It's not a standard thing. Python, for example, will do it correctly, but C++ does not. C++ will allow for a negative remainder. So we're going to make a definition and just say that given an integer n and a positive integer d, we're going to say that n div d will be the integer quotient that we get when n is divided by d, and n mod d is the non-negative integer remainder when n is divided by d. So that is to say, if we're using the quotient remainder theorem to divide up n as dq plus r, then we're going to say that n div d is equal to q and n mod d is equal to r. And of course, as always, we make the restriction that r is between 0 and d. Now it's actually pretty straightforward just to use a wimpy calculator to compute div and mod. So as an example, let's try to compute 437 div 18 and 437 mod 18. And we'll do this with a basic calculator. Our calculator will tell us that 437 divided by 18 is 24 point something. Now we don't care about the point something, we just care about the integer portion. So we're just going to take the 24. So we're going to say that 437 div 18 is equal to 24. Now we're not doing rounding here, we're truncating. What we're doing is we're saying, let's just throw away all this stuff out here, we don't care about that. Then we say 24 times 18 is 432, so if we want to do 437 mod 18, we'll just take 437 minus 432. You see, what this is saying right here is that there are 24 groups of 18 that make up 432, so what's left over? 437 minus 432, so that's 5. Okay, that's all for now.